I want to talk now about how you locate publications that are of interest to your topic. Okay, you've got this great topic you want to work on, and you want to know who has written something about it because you're going to have to cite them in your work. So the best place to start, well, you could just Google it, but I want to start from the library and see what they can tell us about it. Now, for example, we're going to look at subtitling, and we want to know about subtitling. I can just select subtitling there. I can, let's see, go into they'll go to the catalog and see what our library has in its catalog on subtitling. And I can see 62 results, which is quite good. And there are lots of different things there that I could go through. But where should I start? For example, there's lots of, 62, it's a lot, but what's the most important? Here's a trick. Sort by date, and you get the newest at the top. Why do you do that? Because the newest will cite the other ones. And often in them, they'll have a literature review which refers to what's important in the previous ones. Okay, that seems not to be helping us a great deal there. I'll just do it again. Subtitling catalog. Okay, and date newest. We've got lots of different things there. Okay, I was hoping we would get to a doctoral thesis. Yeah, because they're doing things that are pretty much around it. This would be of interest, though, if you can read Spanish, and this too, okay? So we look for a title that's fairly general and that is available. So this one is a doctoral thesis done at our university. It's in open access, and all doctoral theses have a literature review chapter. So if you click on that and go into it, you'll find a chapter which talks about all the previous stuff on subtitling. So that's a trick. You go to the most recent and then work backwards. Now, in this search engine here, we can also look at the texts that are on the shelves of our library, and you'll see that there are only two. So that's not getting you very far, but that one is another, well, it's an article based on a doctoral thesis, okay? But not much of interest. If we go to all the libraries in Catalonia, CCUC, and see what they've got, you'll find, I hope, that they've got a lot. It's looking through all the libraries, 671. And that's probably too many for you to go through. So you would search by relevance. This one seems relevant because it's general, but look at the date, 1998. That's pretty old. We would really want something new to start from, okay? But topics, these ones, 2004, that's a bit oldish as well, okay? If you go down to the one at the bottom, that's an American service for electronic resources, and that's going to give you too many to work with. Yeah, 2,360, you can't really do very much with that. Even if we put the newest at the top, we're going to get so many different things that, I don't know. Okay, The Handmaid's Tale, if you're going to work on that, you could take a look at it. But you can see it's marked there. Some of them don't have online access, others do. All right. So that's one way of starting your search. Just go to our search engine, Cercador, it's called, and do a new search, and then adjust it here for whether you're looking in a catalog, which includes our online resources, articles, etc., can help you as well. What's on the shelves in our library, there's not very much there, and what you can get from other libraries in Catalonia. Now, there's one other thing. one of the big advantages of physical books in physical libraries is you go in and you find the book you want, and you can look to the left and look to the right of it and see other publications on the same topic. Open it up, look at the index, look at the back, and figure out if they are of interest to you. So that was a traditional way in which one reference or source would lead to another. And one gets very good at looking at books and saying, yes, it's interesting, I'll take it home and read it, or no, it's not, and you put it back on the shelves. Electronically, we can't really do that anymore. However, here, for example, is an article on subtitling. It's in this journal that I don't have access to. And what they give there is the references. So you can look at it. It's a very recent article, but you can look at all the texts that they are drawing on, and that gives you a lot of information about what's available in that field. And sometimes more importantly, over here, related research. And so you'll find other articles that are on similar topics, and they have been selected on the basis of the keywords. So you'll find more indications there as well. In that respect, the online journal is fulfilling some of the functions we had in the physical library. That was it.